Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a homemade anti-wrinkle recipe. For this recipe, you will need lemon. Lemon is one of the most beneficial natural products for the skin. Benefits of lemon for the skin: gives clarity to the skin. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon clarify the skin, whiten it, and give it a natural glow. Balances oily skin. The natural acids in lemon reduce the activity of the sebaceous glands and prevent excessive oiliness of the skin. Reduces spots and pigments. Due to its whitening properties, it reduces sunspots, acne scars, and blackheads. Has an antibacterial effect on the skin. Lemon has antibacterial properties, which is why it is useful in reducing acne and pimples. Anti-wrinkle benefits of lemon: activates collagen production. Vitamin C in lemon stimulates the production of collagen, which maintains skin elasticity, slows down premature aging. Antioxidants reduce the effects of free radicals, which delays the appearance of wrinkles, removes dead cells. The natural acids in lemon soften the skin surface, remove dead cells, and accelerate skin renewal. Gives the skin smoothness and elasticity. Regular lemon masks tighten the skin, reduce fine wrinkles, and make the face look younger. Note: since lemon is a very strong natural acid, it is not recommended to apply it to the skin in its pure form. Always mix lemon with honey, yogurt, cucumber, or water to make a mask. After a lemon mask, it is necessary to avoid sun exposure or apply SPF cream, as the skin becomes more sensitive to the sun. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way together. Milk, i.e. natural cow's milk, is one of the most useful products used in skincare since ancient times. Below, I will provide detailed information about its benefits for facial skin. Benefits of milk for facial skin: gives softness and smoothness to the skin. The natural oils and proteins in milk moisturize the skin, making it soft and smooth. Especially useful for dry skin. Gives clarity to the skin. The lactic acid in milk dissolves dead cells and ensures that the skin is renewed with new cells. As a result, the skin looks clear and radiant. Reduces spots and darkening. Regular milk masks gradually eliminate dark spots, sunspots, or acne scars on the skin. 4. Nourishes the skin. The vitamins A, D, B6, and calcium in milk help keep the skin healthy and elastic. Has a cooling effect on the skin. Applying chilled milk to sunburned or reddened skin has a soothing and restorative effect. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way together. What you might like about this remedy is that it helps you get rid of the AG spot where you have pigmentation and makes your face look smooth and beautiful. To use this, you just take a tomato and then rub it on your face. So before you take the tomato, you have to make sure you rotate it like this. If you want to use this tool for 5 days, so when you finish using the tomato, you don't have to throw it away. You first cut the surface of the face. Use a fresh surface to apply to your face. Dip it in and then gently rub it on your face. If you don't have dry milk, you can use fresh milk, i.e. liquid milk. So take the time to rub it into your skin. It's great. So when you're done scrubbing it off, you just leave FT on for 5 minutes and then wash it off. You will find that the natural ingredient is very good at keeping your skin smooth. You use this for 5 days. If you want to look younger, have younger skin. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way together.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. A natural anti-wrinkle mask made with eggs and coffee. General benefits of this mask. Nourishes and moisturizes the skin, reduces the depth of wrinkles, increases skin elasticity, provides a natural, brightening and smoothing effect, gives the face a clear and healthy complexion. To prepare this homemade natural anti-wrinkle mask, we will need 1 banana. Are bananas good for wrinkles? Yes, bananas have anti-wrinkle benefits, and it has a scientific basis. Below, we explain the main beneficial properties of bananas in reducing wrinkles. Bananas' anti-wrinkle benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Bananas are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E. These substances neutralize free radicals, which slows down the aging process of the skin. Antioxidants prevent wrinkles by stimulating cell renewal. 2. Vitamin A accelerates cell regeneration. Vitamin A, the natural form of retinol, fights against dryness and loss of elasticity in the skin, helps to produce new cells, which ensures smooth and youthful skin. 3. Potassium and moisturizing properties. The potassium in bananas deeply moisturizes the skin. Moisturized skin means smooth and elastic skin, which means less visible wrinkles. 4. Increases skin elasticity. Bananas stimulate the production of collagen in the skin, not directly, but with the help of the substances in its composition. This strengthens the skin and slows down the appearance of wrinkles. Egg. Are eggs good for wrinkles? Does it get rid of wrinkles? Yes, eggs, especially egg whites, have a beneficial effect on wrinkles, but they do not completely eliminate wrinkles, but rather temporarily smooth them out and tighten the face, thereby ensuring a younger and smoother appearance of the skin. We will explain in detail below. Anti-wrinkle benefits of eggs. 1. Egg whites are natural, lifting. Effect. Egg whites dry quickly when applied to the skin, which creates a tightening effect on the skin. As a result, small wrinkles are temporarily smoothed out, and the face looks tight and refreshed. 2. Protein is a substance that strengthens skin tissues. Egg whites contain a high amount of albumin, protein. Proteins help renew skin cells and stimulate collagen production. This helps maintain skin elasticity in the long term. 3. Narrows pores. Smooths the face. Large pores on the face make wrinkles appear more pronounced. Egg whites shrink pores and increase facial smoothness, which makes wrinkles less noticeable. Add a tablespoon of coffee to our mask and mix well. Coffee activates blood circulation with the help of caffeine. Blood circulation in the skin improves, which gives the face a healthy color. Cleanses dead cells. The fine grains of coffee act as appealing, has anti-inflammatory properties, increases skin tone, and reduces the appearance of fatigue. Apply this mask to cleansed skin. You can apply this mask to any part of your skin. You can also apply this mask to your face, neck, and hands. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Apply the mask to your skin and leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse.